Hello, how are you? So welcome to today's video, right? Where I'm going to guide you through the process of creating your first HTML code and running it on a browser. So this will be a web development series, and okay, let's begin. First of all, what you need to have, right? Make sure you install what we call the Google Chrome browser. This one, make sure you have it on a computer. And secondly, after running the Google Chrome, right, you have to download what is called the Visual Code. If you have it, that's fine. If you don't have it, so you just go and say you just have to search Microsoft Visual Code. That's the one which you need. So right now on this page, either you're running a Windows 10 or a Windows 11. For me, I'm running a Windows 7 because my computer is kind of like slow. So you just have to click on download. So user installer. After clicking on that, we'll wait for the next page where we're going to look for the file and download. Some will just automatically show up like this in download. So for me, I have the application installed, the software installed, so I just have to close it. So now what you have to do, right, you have to click here where it says create file, the new file. So you just click on it. Okay, now we have to name this file. Let's just name it hello, so that hello. Then I click on create. I'll just click on that one. Then here I have to click where it says HTML hypertext markup language. Then I click save. Then everything will change like this. So first of all, everything is installed. Now we want to run our first code. We have to write this our head. Then you click this one. Then I press enter. Then we want to give a title to our web. Okay, let me close it. Yes. Then in this space I will write code site, a name code site, or let me just name it okay, site, right? Then I click Control Save. Then I click on run. Let's just run it. So we start by debugging. Start debugging. Then we wait for it. Okay, so now why did I say we need to install Google Chrome? That's the one which we'll be using to is our browser. Then I click on web app Chrome. Okay, let's wait for it. So right now after this process, okay, it just finished. So it will just load up the page. Then okay, let's wait for it. So you see, we named our website, our web page, let's just name it our website site. That's the title which we have created here. So now that we have created, we now have to create a body, right? So go click. Okay, let's just press enter again. Now opening body, let's write body. So we want to write something on our web page. So within this part we have to just click or let's write something like hello world, which we wanted to write hello. Okay, hello world, welcome to time to learn. By the way, time to learn is just 10. It's time to learn. Yeah. Okay, now I have to click file. Then I say save. Right, after clicking save, then I'm going to the browser, right, to the Chrome browser. Then I'm going to click on this refresh page. There you go. Say the page now shows us hello world, welcome to time to learn. Okay, let me just close it. So guys, this is how you create your first code using HTML. So hope I'll see you in the next video tutorial. So cheers. I hope you have a blessed day or night or evening, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Signing out. Time to learn.